Hi guys, Namaste. So this is a lip swatch video and I'll also do a mini review for Lakme 925 Weightless Lip and Cheek Color. So this is a liquid lipstick from Lakme and Lakme is a Indian company. तो ये Lakme ने एक liquid lipstick निकाली है and the very best thing about these lipsticks are that you won't feel that you are wearing something. It's actually so weightless. बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं चलता है कि लिप्स पे कुछ लगा रखा है. इट्स सो लाइट वेट एंड इट्स सो द कलर्स आर सो नाइस. द कंसिस्टेंसी इज सो गुड. इट इज़ सो सॉफ्ट. अगर आपके ड्राई लिप्स भी हैं, इफ़ यू हैव चार्प लिप्स, सो इवन यू कैन वेयर दिस लिपस्टिक. लिक्विड लिपस्टिक लगाने का लोगों को हमेशा एक डर रहता है कि नहीं, इफ़ यू विल अप्लाई लिक्विड लिपस्टिक सो इट विल मेक योर लिप्स मोर चार्प्ड एंड ड्राई, बट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन विद दिस लिपस्टिक. This lipstick is very soft and very easy to apply. It will make your lips feel like you haven't applied anything on your lips. So the lipstick comes in this rose gold paper packaging. तो ये Lakme 925 की I think सबकी ऐसी पैकेजिंग है rose gold में, and it costs around 500. Yeah, it costs around 575 rupees for 9 grams of product, and the inner packaging looks like this. पर इसकी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सबकी पैकेजिंग ऐसे ही है. सो यू हैव टू सी द नेम ऑफ द लिपस्टिक. इसके जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है, सो यू हैव टू सी द नेम ओवर हेयर, एंड अदरवाइज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द लिपस्टिक इज ऑल गुड. एंड इवन यू कैन गेट दीज लिपस्टिक्स फॉर डिस्काउंट लाइक ऑन Nykaa and Amazon. It is always available on discount for around 500 or 518 rupees. So the current shade which I have applied is Blush Velvet, and I think this is the lightest shade in this range, and this is how it looks on my skin tone. I have a olive skin tone, medium skin tone, and it absolutely looks perfect on my skin. It looks very nude pink color on me, and I think it's going to look amazing on every skin tone. It might wash out a very dark skin tone, but it is absolutely perfect from fair to medium to little dusky skin tone. So this is how Blush Velvet looks on me. This is how the applicator looks like. It is very easy to apply, and one more good thing about these lipsticks is that even if it spreads, अगर ये आपके लिप्स के बाहर भी निकल जाए तो लिक्विड लिपस्टिक जनरली क्लीन नहीं हो पाती है और आपको फिर वेट वाइप्स यूज़ करने पड़ते हैं. पर ये इजीली क्लीन आप कर सकते हो कपड़ा गीला करके, और either with your hands also you can clean it and apply some compact over it. And yes, these lipsticks smell so good. It smells like vanilla or some chocolatey flavor, so the smell is really amazing. So this is the next shade which I have applied. This is Rose Touch, and it is looking little shiny right now क्योंकि ये just मैंने अभी लगाई है. तो ये ड्राई होने में 2-3 मिनट लगाती है और 2-3 मिनट के बाद ये कम्प्लीटली मैट हो जाती है. एंड दिस शेड इज़ वेरी मॉविश पिंक. इट्स म्यूटेड मॉविश पिंक, एंड अगेन इट इज़ गोइंग टू लुक superb on every skin tone. It might wash out dusky skin tone. Either you can apply a lip liner with this, so then it is going to look fine. Otherwise it's going to suit fair skin, medium skin and little dusky skin tone. More dark skin tone people have to apply a lip liner with this. तो ये जो Rose Touch shade मैंने लगाया है ये थोड़ी सी dry हो गई है, and now this is looking like this. And I think that it's looking amazing on me, and obviously it's going to suit the fair skin tone as well. One more thing I want to tell you about these lipsticks are that they have mentioned that this is a cheek color, but I don't think that you can apply these lipsticks as your blush, because I tried these lipsticks on my cheeks, but it was feeling, I could feel that stickiness on my cheeks as I have oily skin type, and I was not feeling good. So it was very चिपचिपाया और बहुत sticky हो गया था. So it's better to avoid these lipsticks for your cheeks. Go for your lips only. Maybe dry skin people can try these lipsticks for their cheeks. So this is the next color which I have applied. This is Coffee Light, and it is looking so beautiful. It is such a nice brown, brownish pink. nude color and obviously it's going to suit the fair skin tone. Fair skin tone पे थोड़ा सा dark लगेगा, थोड़ा सा burgundy type का लगेगा, but for dark skin tone it will be a perfect nude for them. And you can see this is looking so nice on my skin tone. So this is the last shade which I have. This is Fuchsia Suede and it's looking very flattering on my skin tone, and obviously it will suit every skin tone from fair to medium to dusky skin tone as well. And this is a very bright fuchsia pink color, and it has a bit of neon undertones in it as well. I don't know it is visible on the camera or not, but ये थोड़ा सा neonish है. And yes, this is how it looks on me. And this is the hand swatch of all the shades which I have shown. This is Blush Velvet, this is Rose Touch, this is Coffee Light, and this is the Fuchsia Suede. I think these three are on the nude side, and this is the only brightest shade which I have. And please ignore the sound of the background because as I have told you in my previous video that my house is in front of मंदिर, so आज हनुमान जयंती भी है तो इसलिए आवाज़ आ रही है. There is some havan going on in the मंदिर. So these are the shades. So these were all the shades which I have, and I have shown all the shades to you. And do comment down below which shade you like the most, and do hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.